Here are two captured Japanese rifles. The longer top one is the Arasaka Model 38, a 25 caliber weapon. Below it is the new Model 99, 303 caliber, which is rapidly replacing the M38 in most theaters. The M38 employs the standard bayonet Model 19.5, which is easily removed by simply sliding forward. Press in on the cleaning rod release catch to free the full-length cleaning rod from the stock. The sights are an ordinary front sight and a knockdown leaf-type rear sight, graduated from 440 to 2,640 yards. There is no allowance for drift or windage on these sights. The M38 is a 5-shot bolt-action weapon, very similar in operation to our own Springfield. The magazine floor plate may be removed by pressing on a release button located inside on the forward portion of the trigger guard. To disassemble the bolt, draw it fully to the rear and pull out on the bolt stop on the left side of the receiver. Take off the dust cover. Turn the safety 1/2 turn to the right and remove. Next, pull out the firing pin. And then its spring. They go back together in the reverse order. The dust cover on the bolt mechanism is removed by the Japs in combat to ensure silent operation of the bolt. Here is the latest Jap rifle, Model 99. The sling is generally a rubberized canvas and serves no other purpose except to carry the rifle. The monopod, hinged to the lower band or sling swivel, acts as a rest for the weapon when it's fired from a foxhole. The bayonet is similar to the one on the M38 and comes off in the same way. Like the M38 too, the cleaning rod slides free when you press the release catch. The leaf-type rear sight on this gun is equipped with projecting arms which are intended for use in tracking aerial or moving ground targets. The magazine follower must be depressed before the bolt can be closed. The trigger guard on this weapon is larger to permit firing with a gloved finger. The magazine floor plate is hinged to prevent its loss and also to permit rapid unloading when necessary. The bolt mechanism, modified for firing the larger caliber ammunition, is the same as that of the M38 and is disassembled in the same way. First, the dust cover, then the safety, firing pin, and the spring. Here are the M38 and the M99. Notice that the stock of the M99, the bottom one, has been shortened to fit the physique of the Japanese soldier. Both guns fire ammunition in 5-round clips. The longer projectile on the right is used in the M38. The short bullet is fired by the M99. The guns are loaded and fired like our own Springfield. The 99 has a recoil very much like the Springfield, too. The M38 has very little recoil and no muzzle flash. The Japs find it very useful as a sniper's weapon.